So one of the most important things I found over the years is having a good poop kit. And there's a lot of controversy surrounding this topic. And you talk to the ultralight guys and they're like, I just use a cloth and then I hang it from my pack. It's like, sweet, now you got a cloth with dried pee on it. Like, that's great. But some good actually biodegradable wipes and a good fat roll of toilet paper goes a long way, because you can use the wipes to get other areas instead of just the important spot. But always keep it in a freezer bag, Ziploc, because sometimes it rains or dews in the morning and you don't want to wake up to a sloppy roll of toilet paper. And another thing is, sometimes, depending on where you go, high traffic areas, you'll actually get mice and other things that'll actually try and take off with your stuff. So if the bag's a little bit heavier, they're not going to be able to just grab it and take off with it. So yeah, keeping your stuff clean in the mountains when you're in here for 6 days is extremely important.